Bismillah.
Bismillah means in the name of Allah. These are the first words which begin the glorious Quran.
Bismillah الرحمن الرحیم.
Muslims are taught to mention the name of Allah whenever beginning anything. This is so we always remember Him and know that we need His permission and help in everything that we do. It is good to remember to say Bismillah الرحمن الرحیم before eating, washing, starting a journey or beginning any job. If, for instance, we say Bismillah before eating, it helps us to realize that food comes from plants and animals which were created by Allah. They drank water from the rain that He sends down, warmed by the bright sun that He causes to rise. All this is done in order to give us the food which our bodies need.